Welcome everyone, this is Sanjeev Arora, Principal Consultant at Quasar Apps, presenting you our Board Activity Manager application built on CourseWorks for SharePoint. This demo is our feature overview session on the application. Board Activity Manager application mainly has three modules or three tabs as of now. The first tab is My Board Meetings, where you're able to view your meetings in a calendar view or a grid view. You also have actions related to those meetings, and you're also able to contribute on agendas and minutes. The second tab is Agendas and Minutes, where you're able to view your contributions as well as other members' contribution on an agenda or minute, or you're able to view the final agenda or minute attached to a meeting. The third tab is the Administrative tab, where you're able to update and manage your meetings or meeting information. You can also finalize agendas and minutes, which are linked to a meeting. Let's look at these tabs on the web interface. As soon as a user logs on to the Board Activity Manager application, they're presented by the home page, which can be customized to the organization's need. The first tab is My Board Meetings tab. In this tab, you're able to view your meetings. Hover your mouse over the calendar title and you're able to see details on the meeting. You're also able to narrow down your meetings by location. If you do not want to view certain information, you can uncheck that. There are also actions related to these meetings, for example, confirming attendance or sending a meeting change, and also contributing on an agenda or a minute of that meeting. You have some other views in the calendar display. You also have meetings viewed displayed in a grid. In this grid, as you can see, we can either click on a meeting information and look at more details. For example, attachments that might be used in terms of PowerPoint slides or reports. But you can also, at a glance, see whether there's an agenda in this example linked to a meeting. This icon represents a minute, or an agenda and minute, both available for a meeting. You also have similar actions in this view, and you also have this view in active this week meetings and today's meeting. There are other list views in terms of active meetings and closed meetings. The second tab is Agendas and Minutes. In this tab, you're able to view your contributions or comments which were made on an agenda or minute. For example, now we are in an activity on minutes, where we can see comment made on a particular meeting minutes. We can click on the comment and look at the view item, and if there was any attachment with the comment, you can also view that right in here. Within the agendas and minutes, you also have the ability to view your agendas, final agendas and minutes of a meeting. For example, in this view here, we have the meeting, which has not only the minute but also the agenda attached to it, and it's color coded. I can either click on this minute item and open the minute document itself, or I can click on the record and look at the information in detail. The third tab is the Administrative tab, where as an administrator you have similar view but different actions. In this view, as an administrator, I'm able to update the meeting time, upload an agenda, which will also present that icon in the grid view, or upload minute, which will update the record with the appropriate icon. I can search. You have search in other views as well, or I can go and look at active agendas or manage active agendas and minutes. In this example, I can look at a minute, a particular meeting minute, view the information, and also edit the information on a meeting minute or agenda. There are other views like closing the meeting agendas, minutes, and also reactivating them, or also searching closed meetings. I hope you like the feature overview session. Look for more sessions on our website.